Hey guys, Ronald here. If you have a frying pan that's wobbly because one locking screw is missing and this other part still there, but it's already wobbly, we're going to fix that. Sorry for the soot. I've already removed that maybe I think a year ago, but it came back. But I'm not going to clean it this time because I've already done that. I'll just link the video at the end of this demonstration. First I'm going to remove this. So I don't want to throw it away because times are really hard. So I'm just going to try to repair it. Okay, let's put it back. What I'm going to use is this 304 stainless bolt screw and nut lock, so that you don't have to worry about it getting corroded over time. Just put the nut lock. This nut lock will make it stable and unable to be removed quickly just by vibration. Okay, we'll tighten that later. Put in the nut lock and lock it. If you're a woman who's not used to using power tools like this grinder, you can just let it stay and not cut it anymore. Okay, since these are stainless, you don't have to worry about corrosion mixing with your food. Just get something that can hold this head and then tighten it. Do it on the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. So you've got a retightened frying pan. You can cut it if you want. If you're afraid of using power tools, you can leave it at that. Okay, so that's how you replace the old bolts of your frying pan. I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.